Close your eyes. Imagine standing in the middle of the Sahara Desert. You expect endless dunes, blazing heat, silence. But instead, you hear birds. Tall grass sways in the wind. A family of elephants walks toward a lake that stretches beyond the horizon. It feels like another planet, another age, another world. But it isn't. This was the Sahara. How can the largest desert on Earth suddenly become one of its richest ecosystems? The answer isn't hidden beneath the sand. It's written in the sky. Like a spinning top, Earth slowly wobbles, so slow that no human could ever notice it. Around 12,000 years ago, northern Africa received more summer sunlight than it does today. That extra warmth pulled the African monsoon farther north. Clouds that once emptied their rain over the ocean drifted deep into the desert. Year after year, century after century, the impossible happened. The Sahara began to drink, and life returned. The Sahara transformed completely. No longer a desert, but a land of rivers, forests, and vast lakes. Rivers carved through valleys that are now buried beneath sand. One of these lost lakes was so enormous, it rivaled seas that exist today. Where satellites now see endless dunes, wetlands once teemed with crocodiles, hippos, fish, and countless birds. If you had flown over the Sahara 8,000 years ago, you wouldn't have recognized it. This wasn't just a paradise for animals, it was home. For thousands of years, people built their lives beside its rivers and lakes. They fished in clear waters, raised cattle on endless grasslands, and watched the seasons shape a land that seemed eternal. Before they disappeared, they left behind something extraordinary, their memories carved into stone. These weren't myths, they weren't legends. They were memories painted by people who watched this paradise with their own eyes. But every paradise lives on borrowed time. Quietly, almost unnoticed, the sky began to change. Earth's heartbeat never stops. The slow wobble of our planet continued, and with it, the rains began to retreat. It didn't happen in a single day, or even a single lifetime. One season at a time, the lakes began to shrink. Grass surrendered to dust, dust surrendered to sand. The animals followed the water or vanished with it. Families gathered what they could carry and began walking toward a river that had never stopped flowing. Some archaeologists believe these migrations helped shape the communities that would eventually become one of history's greatest civilizations, ancient Egypt. Today, the Sahara seems empty, but it has never truly stopped giving life. Every year, millions of tons of Saharan dust rise into the atmosphere, beginning one of the greatest journeys on Earth. Thousands of kilometers later, those tiny grains fall upon the Amazon rainforest, feeding one of the richest ecosystems on Earth. And one day, perhaps 15,000 years from now, the sky may remember the Sahara once again. The Sahara isn't just a desert, it's a world waiting to awaken. Some worlds don't disappear, they wait for their next chapter. This is Unsealed Chapters. Thank you for watching.